designed this rhyme when I was obsessed with time. All I know, time was just slipping away, and I watched it count down to the end of the day. Watched it watch me in the words that I say, the echo of the clock, rhythm in my veins. I wasted it all on the hands of the clock. But in the end, no matter what I pretend, the journey is more important than the end. Oh, the start and what it meant to me will eventually be a memory.